How you guys doing? You guys ready for another day? Yeah? Well, I have a couple demos for you that are kind of fun. We've been talking about density, and we looked at carbon dioxide gas. And do you remember the idea of its density? What did the carbon dioxide gas do when we produced it, the goo bubbles yesterday? It sank. So the carbon dioxide, there's carbon dioxide, the symbol again we call carbon dioxide, is a small component of air. It's less than 1% or so. Probably less, just say less. And air is mostly nitrogen and oxygen. And these guys are quite a bit lighter than the carbon dioxide. So the carbon dioxide you saw would sink. Well, we'll get to that. Should we do that one first? I'll do this one first. And gases are about 1,000 times less dense than water. Water's more dense. So, gases are above us, water's kind of around us. We'll show you with these cans. Let's check this out. What do you think is going to happen when I put the Diet Pepsi? You guys ever done this? Sink? Okay. Let's see what happens. Oh.
I think that one's going to flow.
It flows. And we might predict what's the major component of the Diet Pepsi. What's the most abundant chemical in the Diet Pepsi that when you're drinking it? Water. And so we might predict that it should probably be, for some reason it's just slightly less dense than the water. Maybe there's a little bit of air.
Just a little bit. Yeah.
Just a little bit of air. What's going to happen with the Pepsi regular? It's going to sink? Let's find out. Okay, so what's the difference in the ingredients between the two?
More sugar.
Yeah, this has sugar in it. So the combination of the sugar and the water molecules makes it more dense. So it becomes heavier. Well, it's not heavier, it's more dense than the water, so it will displace the water. It will sink below it. And do you guys know how much sugar this is in one of these cans?
32 grams.
40 grams? This one says 41 grams. So it's like about a piece of pie. So every time you have a Coke, it's like a piece of pie. And so when you're worried about, we have our Big Gulp Society, and it's kind of like having a constant glucose IV. You have a couple Cokes through your day, and anyway, enough about health. So that's a simple density. I forgot, I should have remembered the nutritional information, but it's a heck of a lot of sugar. Okay.